Okay, so I'm gonna install Zorin, the Zorin OS Linux distro. So I've heard it's quite an old distro, and the support for it's not that great. I mean, for the developers, do you call them developers? But anyway, the Zorin team, so they're struggling with getting enough people on the project. So let's see the features. So it's Ubuntu based. So it looks like Windows. If you're a Windows user, it's very friendly to Windows users. And it doesn't sort of geared it towards not trying to put you in terminal as much for the easier stuff. So if you're just gonna do basic stuff on the OS, then yeah, you're gonna be okay. Then it's got a nice feature of Zorin Connect with Android, so you can control your PC with your phone and see messages and all that stuff. So that's a little thing I probably want to check out. So let's just install it and see what it's about. Right, let's create a VM, call it Zorin. Zorin, next, at the bottom, choose it. I'm gonna leave it defaults. It might support UEFI, but sometimes it just screws up in Proxmox. I want to choose Quemu and then Spice. Next, right? So I'm just gonna leave it at 32 gig. Give it at least, well, always 4 gigs, but I'm running out of cores here. I'm just gonna push 2, and then 496. The 4 gigs of RAM. Kill the firewall. Choose your network, para virtualize, next, and finished. Right, so let's just run it and see what's happening. Let it finish creating there. Alright, let's just run it and see if it runs. Whoa, what was... Okay, give me some time, yeah. So that's just normal live environment. Try or install Zorin, save graphics. Well, I'm just gonna try the standard one there. Is it going? Is it going? I might be pushing this Proxmox machine to the edge because I'm busy installing Bazite. It just gets stuck there. I don't know why. It's quite irritating. Things are looking good. CPU and memory is not maxed out. I have enough storage on here. So what seems to be the problem? Okay, so there's Zorin going. Let's spice. Let's spice it out. So yeah, if you think about Zorin, it's Windows friendly. It's almost like Linux Mint. So they're like two completely different distros, but they're both trying to win over some of the Windows users, which is great. I mean, why not? But Linux is doing much better. They got a way bigger team and more support than Zorin. But Zorin, as the few videos that I've saw, Zorin looks pretty good. Looks better than Mint. As they say, I would judge it for myself first. Right, so let's just let that go, and then we'll come back when it's done. Okay, so Let's go through the install. Try Zorin OS. So I don't want to try it. I want to install it. Click it there. Right. So English. Yeah. Continue. You definitely want to download updates and install third-party software for your graphics and Wi-Fi and so on. And you don't want to participate. Select all of this and continue. But I'm not going to do those because I'm going to delete this. This is just for the test. Just want to see the installation process and then the OS itself. Right, so RAID disk install now, obviously. Continue, definitely sure, I'm definitely sure. Right, Africa for me, continue. Username, password. Definitely requires my passport to log in, choose that one, otherwise defeats the purpose of security. Short password, yeah, it will continue on a short password. Creating the file system. Okay, it's beginning, so we'll come back when it's done. Okay, it's at last installed, so I've never used. Ooh, what's going on? Come on, let's go. Okay, so I've never used Zorin, so I just want to see how easy it is to actually use it for a Windows user. So let's go to, if I want to change the themes or the backgrounds. Okay, so it looks windowy like. I don't think it will be in graphics. Will it be in graphics? No. So I'm just gonna type, let's just type themes. So I'm not sure now. That's probably not it. Could be in software. Settings. Let's go to settings. What is it doing now? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? It's not refreshing like a... Something is clearly not all that. Anyway, just gonna have to work through this. I'm not figuring out what the problem is. Okay, so just settings. Yeah, settings, there is background. So we can change the background. Let's change it to that one. This is now a shame. Why is it doing this? This is so stupid. Add picture, background. Anyway, background. Oh yeah, that's what I like. It comes with a Brave, the Brave browser default installed. That's cool. Get rid of Firefox. Right, and then Office. LibreOffice is installed by default as well, so that's good. Right, let's click on software. This is probably where you install software. Install and uninstall. How do you choose the background? Oh, it. Okay, I just double clicked. What else is there? Display. Alright, so I'm just gonna, let's go for the big resolution. Fractional scaling, I'm not gonna do that now. Apply. Maybe that will fix things. Or not. Probably freeze it. Yeah, I don't think all the drivers and stuff is installed completely. Let's just kill this quickly. Oh. Okay, maybe we should. It must be the viewer then. Must be no VNC. Okay, fuck it. Night light. So definitely, yeah, night light is already installed, so that's good. Let's just go over background. So I changed the background. Background is changed. There's network. Right, what else is in here? Applications. It does looks like Windows. So if I click on the Brave browser, would I be able to, what is this? Update it. Install now. Okay, it shows you. Why did this pop up by itself? So update, subscribe to. Okay, I'm just gonna kill that because I don't know what the hell that is. It's obviously the updates, but yeah, I haven't found Zorin appearance. Oh, it's hidden down here. So I wanted to say I haven't found the themes, but its appearance. Come on, let's go. Yeah, something is clearly not all there. So this will be the software install, so the installation package manager. So yeah, you can uninstall stuff. And yeah, this is the GNOME software manager. Up to date, you can update stuff there, explore, find new stuff. So if we want to find something, let's just type in VLC. I can't think of anything else. Right, VLC, click on it. So this is the normal stuff that a Windows user, you know, might want to do. It doesn't want to struggle finding something. Just kill that. So I must say, it doesn't look bad at all. It looks better than, no. For me personally, it doesn't look better than Mint, but you obviously can change the theme. But I can't find it. Zorin appearance. It's clearly not. Am I just not seeing anything? Zorin appearance, open in software. I see, this is already not all that great, because I don't know how to do it. If we right click on desktop, you can change the background, display. What would settings be? This is exactly what a Windows user would experience using this distro. But overall, it's not difficult to navigate. Most of the stuff already there, so you got your browser, which is the most important thing, I would say. You've got a software icon there, so you can check your software installations. Then you got your file browser. Yeah. Well, like I said, they're struggling. The Zorin team are struggling to get people on board. So that's probably not a good sign for an OS to have. I mean, Linux Mint doesn't have that problem. So would I jump on this, install it as a daily? I don't think so. But clearly there's nothing wrong with it. So yeah, this is Zorin. Good.